Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hello guys, I am going to unbox this Corsair VS 450 power supply. So let's open the pack. Here we get the power supply. This is the power cord. We are getting 4 screws to mount it on the cabinet. And this is the power supply. The power supply is very heavy to weight. These cables are very heavy. All the cables are nylon braided.
Can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. My love is you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
So here is the smps. So let's switch on the computer. So see the smps fan is also running. CPU fan is also running.